Thank you, the chairperson, secretary, plus other officials and you, dear audience. I am here to oppose the motion which states on the board, life in village is better than life in town. Here's why. Life of the town is very modern life. My second point, town life is more compatible. My third point, there are a lot of facilities for people in the town and they have more opportunities for making money. My fourth point, life in town is full of people. My fifth point, the education system are well developed in town than villages. My sixth point, a town has a population of 1,000 to 20,000. My seventh point, a village has a population of 500 to 2,500.